Welcome to 437 New York Avenue. This is the Yale Steam Laundry Condominium. Let's go ahead and take a look inside at this Unit 204. As we enter through the hallway here, we've got your large bathroom. A lot of ceramic tile, plenty of space. And we've got your in-unit laundry here as well. Then the bedroom has a bit of a barn door style to it. Large closet as well. One of the features I really love most is these floor-to-ceiling windows, which also have a remote control for the blinds. So it's super easy to raise them up or down. They do top, bottom opening. And then the kitchen, which has quartz countertops as well as stainless steel appliances, is really bright and a great eat-in area at the island.